Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of British Pound US Dollar GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of British Pound US Dollar. Yes, my favorite 4 hours time frame. And if you observe the chart carefully, then you can see that this chart looks very much familiar to the chart of Euro USD. This is the chart of Euro USD, and you can see that the chart formation is almost same. Okay. The only difference between the chart of GBP USD and Euro USD is that, okay, whereas right now Euro USD is trying to take support at a temporary support, and GBP USD is standing at a strong support. Right now you can see that GBP USD is standing at 1.3796. Okay, right now it is standing at this support level, and this support is very strong support in comparison to the support level of the Euro USD, because after this huge fall, when market saw heavy selling pressure 2 weeks ago, okay, when market fell sharply, okay, currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD were looking for support levels, whereas Euro USD took a temporary support, but GBP USD found a strong support, and this strong support is from the weekly chart. If you have not watched my other video, then let me show you. It is taking time to load. Let me remove the drawings so that you can see clearly. So I have removed the drawings, and right now you can see that after this big red candle, okay, when market was falling sharply, when selling pressure was very high 2 weeks ago, it took support at the weekly time frame. And we can see that previous week also market took support, and right now this week also market is just standing at the support level. And as we all know, the weekly time frame belongs to the to the big pairs. So this is the time frame of the big boys, therefore this support level is very strong. But if you look at these candles, okay, if you just look at the three last candles, then you can see that though market is standing at the support level, but still selling pressure is there. This week also market has got price rejection from above. Previous week also market has got price rejection from above, and nothing to say about this big red candle. So just try to understand the market psychology here. Market is a place of the sellers and buyers. Okay, just trying to understand my words. Market is a place of buyers and sellers. Sometimes buyers dominate, sometimes sellers dominate. Though buyers are standing at this price level, okay, buyers are trying to hold a particular level, okay, buyers are trying to hold this particular support level, but sellers are still dominating the market. As a result, buyers though buyers are trying to take the price upward, they are unable to do so. So still sellers are dominating the market right now, because because wait, let me show you. Okay, if I show you on the chart, then it will be very clear to you. Because yes, right now you have the answer. Because see, as per the thumb rule, sell at resistance, buy at support, and right now you can see that market is just standing at the support level. So as per the thumb rule, okay, once market hits the support level, it should bounce, is not it? But right now you can see that though market is standing at the crucial support level, though market is standing at the important support level from the weekly chart, the support level that gave support when market was falling sharply, okay, this is the level. Therefore, just try to imagine the importance of this support level. Market is standing at this support level, but still bulls does not have the strength. Bulls does not have the power to take the price upward. As a result, market is just lingering around. So generally, as per the thumb rule, we should always go for a buy order at the support level, is not it? But try to understand the market psychology here. Do you still think that buyers have the power to take the price upward? Hell no. Buyers does not have the power to take the price upward. Okay, tomorrow we have the NFP release, being the first Friday of the month. So after the NFP release, there may be some volatility in the market. There may be some good movement in the market, but as of now, market is dull. Market is standing at the support, and buyers does not have the strength. Therefore, I will not recommend a buy level, though market is standing at the support level. Okay. On the other hand, you can clearly see that this trend line is acting as a resistance for the market. In your charting platform, just draw a trend line like this and join these levels. Then you can clearly see that this trend line is acting as a resistance for the market. So this is a dynamic resistance. So if market bounces also, market will be facing resistance at this trend line. So there is not much movement also. If market price to go up, it will be facing resistance. Therefore, there is no proper buy level here. So I'll just tell you to avoid buying GBP USD as of now. In case market goes up a little, okay. In case market goes up a little and reverses from the trend line, let's assume that market starts going up from here and reverses from the trend line. Okay, you can short the market. Do not expect much profit. Okay, you can exit your trade by this level. Yeah, I'm not saying that you'll be making huge profit, but right now this is the only trading opportunity. Short the market at the trend line and come out after making a quick profit and exit by this level. Enter here, exit here, until and unless we have the NFP report from tomorrow. Okay. On the other hand, whenever we get a chart formation like this, in my experience, I have seen that whenever market is standing at the support level, but if the bulls does not have the strength, or if the buyers does not have the strength, then usually market falls. Okay, usually market crosses the support level. So there is still a possibility that market may go down. Therefore, it's totally your call. If you want to short the market, if market crosses this support level, you can short the market, but keep in mind that this support level belongs to the weekly chart, so at least wait for 4 hours or short the market only after seeing good volume. On the other hand, you can you can um, you can short the market at the trend line and make some quick profit. Otherwise, there is not much movement in the chart. I would like to show you the Forex sentiment meter also. Okay, this is the Forex sentiment meter. If you want to check the Forex sentiment meter, then please go to my website avilashajarika.com, and under Forex 101 section, you will find the Forex sentiment meter. In the Forex sentiment meter also, you can see that 32% traders have taken short position and 67% traders have taken long position. And as we all know, retail traders mainly lose money. Therefore, there is still the possibility that market may go down. So let's see. Okay, it will be better for you to wait for the NFP report for tomorrow. Hopefully, you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. Bye bye.